how to change your Instagram password. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can change the password of your Instagram account. Now in order to change the password of your Instagram account, first simply tap and open the Instagram application, and now once you're inside the Instagram homepage, you will need to click onto your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now within your profile page, click onto these three horizontal lines present at the top right corner, and this will lead you to settings and activity page. Now in this particular page you will need to click on to this account center option at the top, which will lead you to the meta account center. Now within the meta account center you will see the password and security settings right within the account settings. So click on password and security, and from here under the login and recovery you can see change password. So click on change password and choose your correct Instagram account, and now you will need to fill this form where at the first field you will need to enter your correct password, then you will need to enter your new password, and then you will also need to retype the new password, and also you can choose to log out of other devices if you want. You might need to verify yourself as well, and once that will be done your password will be successfully changed. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.